What is up, guys? Logan here. How is it going today? I want to talk about Tesla in this video. We have battery day coming up. I want to thank you guys for all the support right off the bat. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you join the Discord, and then we also got the premium Discord where Lena gives her call outs and I help with a lot of one-on-one questions. So I'm super excited to get into this video because we're talking about Tesla stock because we have their battery day coming up. So I think this is going to be one of the coolest events that we see this year. I'm so excited. Tesla's got the catalyst behind it. You know, I love how everything's looking. So this is our Thinkorswim chart that I have pulled up. But we got to remember with Tesla, the stock does not move like any other stock, especially a stock worth as much. You know, we got a lot of the Tesla fanboys. I'm a Tesla fanboy myself, but that's one thing that we got to, keep in mind. They're talking about like a new battery cell, right? That will make the car's battery last longer and have, longer charges. So that's where I'm really excited. Tesla can really blow us away. I wouldn't be surprised if they pull some crazy trick out of their hat, right? Elon's got all of his crazy tricks. New battery lengths, how much you'll get per charge. And I'm telling you guys, if they can find something that's like 600 miles per charge, it's game over. Tesla's going to have the whole industry on lockdown. So I'm excited, but let's look at the charts and then I want to talk more about it. Here's my EMA. So we have the exponential moving average going. A lot of other people's charts, it doesn't seem, maybe because mine's adaptive, it didn't seem to where like they really fell through anything. A lot of other people's charts, it looks like they did hop off right here. But either way, I really like this trend. This is one of the best trends I think I've seen all year. Tesla bounced off the EMA back at the end of June. They bounced off of it again the beginning of August before they ripped off to the sky. Then, of course, they got sold off when a lot of the tech stocks started to sell off, fell through. And then in the last week, Tesla has kind of hung around this area. And this is one of the best bullish looking trends that I've seen in a minute, especially standing above the EMA. We looked at the VWAP today and they were trading above today's VWAP, so I'll click into that. But this has been the stock that's on my mind way more than any other stock, and I plan on playing them next week. So here's the VWAP line right here. And today they crossed it towards the end of the day. Of course, they sold off a tiny bit after testing the upper VWAP, kind of their high for the week at the same time. They retested it. So I think just this whole bullish setup is looking so good. I plan on playing Tesla, and that's the one thing, you guys, if you're going to play Tesla with me next week, make sure that you can, number one, afford it, because I would hate for you to be put in a position to where you can't afford what you're trading, because that's when you get emotional, right? And we've talked about it recently, but emotions are a big no-no when it comes to trading Tesla, especially any stock, really. It's all about making logical decisions, not getting emotional. That's why you don't see me using like the sad face emojis if I ever get stopped out, because I know that's part of the game. It's part of trading. And then when I make money, like when I made 50% on SPY this week, I didn't even get excited. I hit sell and I was like, oh, that was fun. 50% return, but then I got stopped out of Apple and I was like, all right, got stopped out. Time to live my life, right? Tesla Battery Day is on September 22nd. So we'll be watching that because today's the 18th. So I'm very, very excited. Like I said, it's just going to be a blast on Tuesday. So I'm looking to make entries on Monday. But even as like a good catalyst, I think people will hop in once we see Tesla come out with the news. And I just think this trend that they're on is one of the best looking trends that we've seen this year. And of course, this is my opinion, right? And everybody's got a great opinion. But oh my gosh, this is one of the best looking trends that I've seen. I really am excited. I plan on playing this and just setting a target, right? Setting a target price for when you're going to hop in and out. If you have good risk management, do it. But if you don't, do not play. If you're someone who likes to hold on to stuff, even when you're down 50%, stuff like that, like, no, you have to get out of those positions and remove the money somewhere else where it will actually either make you money or sit on the sidelines until you're ready to make more plays. So if you have really proper risk management, I'd say it's a great stock to play next week. It's going to be the hot one on my watch list throughout the next week just to see how it reacts to battery day. But I'm really excited. That is one of the biggest catalysts of the year. People have been talking about battery day for 2 months now because, they've been pushing it back, but they finally have a date on it. But I even know people who were buying at 500 saying they were buying for battery day. And then, of course, it fell. But it is coming back. It's looking really bullish. And that's why I really like Tesla right here. I'm super impressed by their stock. And you guys know they don't move like any other stock. So be careful if you're playing them. And you cannot become upset if what you thought was the right proper way to do it doesn't work out. Because someone bought up here. Someone bought at 510, right? They thought that it was going to go up. Maybe they were one of the people that sold down here. Who knows? Maybe they're going to wait. It gets back up there. They buy again like, man, I should have never sold. And then it falls. So just be careful. Make sure you watch the charts. Watch everything that you have if you're going to play it. But I think this is one of the coolest catalysts for the year. And this is how I think Tesla stock is going to move on battery day. So I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are too. But if you, like I said, if you can't afford to play it, don't play it. But it is one of my favorite stocks. Elon's crazy. He's going to come out with some crazy stuff. So I'm really impressed to see. But I think this is the stepping stone for Tesla. This is what sets them apart, right? This is the one reason why I don't own a Tesla right now. And it's because I'm waiting for longer battery range on these cars because my gas mileage currently is still roughly like 550 miles per tank. So if I can do that, I'd rather it helps me economically. And that's where it's like if you buy a Tesla, then you charge and it only gets a certain amount of charges and you got to go to the station every 2 days or, install your own into your house. So I think this is really going to be what separates Tesla from the rest of the pack. And I'm really excited. They have that brand awareness built. They don't move like any other stock. So just be careful if you're playing them, but I plan on playing them next week. This is how I think Tesla's going to move. So that's going to be it for me today. I'm really excited for the next week. Please take care of yourself this weekend. You guys mean a lot to me. We have 600 and some really smart and healthy, awesome individuals in the Discord. Just stay positive. There's a lot of money to be made. I know we've had a pullback, but just keep cash on the sidelines. Cash is king in these positions, and we can make some good Tesla plays this week. So I'm really excited to see how it goes. But like I said, that's going to be it for me. Don't forget to join the Discord, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with some more nightly watch lists. See you guys.